Students, good morning. Today I am going to explain very important topic. Please concentrate. So, the theorem, the angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining circle. The theorem what? The angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining circle. See, this is the arc. This arc is subtended the angle at center AOB. This AOB is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining circle. Here C is another point on the remaining circle. Let's see. Here ACB is the another angle. For this angle AOB is double. Same as here also AOB. This is a semicircle. Here remaining arc at C. Here ACB is the another angle. For this angle ACB, here double. This is the major arc. Major arc here subtended at the center is angle AOB, and remaining arc is at C. Here angle. This angle for this double here. So how to prove here? See, prove. Suppose here 60 degrees. Here ACB is the 60 degrees. Here 120. Or here 30 degrees. Angle ACB is the 30 degrees. Then angle AOB is equals to 60 degrees. See here 180 degrees. So then here almost here 90 degrees. Like this one. Here suppose here 200 degrees. Then what is the angle of ACB? Here 100 degrees. For this double, in this half, at the center is double the remaining arc of any angle. So, prove here. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and angle AOB is the angle subtended by arc, at O. At O, at center. Angle ACB is the angle subtended by R at remaining arc or remaining circle at C. Remaining circle at C. AC is the angle is subtended by R at a remaining circle of at C. Then what we have to prove? ODP what? Here angle AOB is what we have the angle subtended by R at the center of circle is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining circle. So, for this double, this one, angle ACB is equals to 2 and AOB is equals to angle ACB. 2 angle ACB. Angle AOB at is double the angle of remaining arbitrary point. So AOB is equals to 2 angle ACB. That we have to prove. So construction. Some construction. Here join CO and extend to a point D. Join CO and extend to a point D. If CO is extended to a point D. In 3 cases, same. Here also, in 3 cases, same. Now proof. This is given. Now proof. Now consider triangle. Let's say here 2 triangles are there. Here also 2 triangles. Here also 2 triangles. So consider one triangle. Here in this, here CO comma AO. CO, AO are radial in same circle. So these 2 sides are equal. In triangle AOC, OC is equals to OA. OC equals to OA. Radial in same circle. Radial same circle. Here see, if 2 sides are equal, their upward angles also equal. Therefore, angle OAC is equals to OCA. OAC equals to angle OCA, opposite to equal sides. Opposite to equal sides. In equal triangle, if 2 sides are equal, their upward angles also equal. Therefore, 2 sides equal, their upwards are angles. Here OC is equal to OA. Therefore, their upward angles, these 2 angles also equal. Now, here angle AOD is a exterior angle of triangle is OAC. Exterior angle of triangle AOC. Angle AOD. This angle is the exterior angle for this triangle. What is the exterior angle property? Exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite 2 interior angles. Here, exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite 2 interior angles. Exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite 2 interior angles. Therefore, angle AOD is equals to angle AOD in 3 cases same. AOD is equals to OAC plus OCA. Angle OAC plus angle OCA. But what is there? OAC is equal to what is there? OC. Angle OAC is equals to OC. In the place of OAC, again we have to write here angle OCA plus angle OCA. Here write angle OAC is equals to angle OCA. Here OCA plus OCA is equals to 2 angle OCA. 2 angle OCA is the angle AOD. This is the number 1 in this triangle. AOD is equals to tan OC. Similarly, we can prove. In this triangle, in triangle BOC angle BOD is equals to 2 angle OCB. 2 angle OCB. From 1 and 2 we get angle AOD plus angle BOD is equals to angle AOD plus angle BOD is equals to 2 angle OCA plus 2 angle OCB. 2 angle OCB. 2 angle OCB. I am cutting here. Here AOD plus BOD. Here see AOD plus BOD. AOD plus BOD. AOD plus BOD is equals to AOB. Angle AOB is equals. Here take out two take out common. Then angle OCA plus angle OCB. Here 2 angle, right? OCA plus OCB. OCA plus OCB is equals to we get ACB. OCA plus OCB equals to ACB. Equals to angle ACB. What do we got here? Angle AOB is equals to 2 angle ACB. That is the proof. Hence proof. So at last what we conclude here, angle subtended by arc at center is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining circle. This is the theorem. If here angle, suppose here angle 30 degrees, here 60 degrees, suppose here 80 degrees, angle ACB is equals to 40 degrees. Prove that the angle in a semicircle is right angle. One more example. Prove that the angle in a semicircle is right angle. How to prove? See here, what is given here? Here, semicircle given. Here, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Angle AOB is a semicircle is a angle is subtended angle at center. Angle ACB is a angle in semicircle. AOB is the center of the circle. ACB is the angle in semicircle. This is equals to 90 to 40 degrees. 40 is equals to what? Angle ACB equals to 90 degrees. Angle ACB equals to 90 degrees. That we have to prove. Proof here. Proof. Here, by theorem, angle AOB equals to 2 angle ACB. Angle AOB equals to 2 angle ACB. Why? An angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining circle. So, if for this, for the angle is double. So, angle AOB is double angle of ACB. But angle AOB equals to 180 degree. Here straight line. On the straight line, here straight angle. straight angle here. Total angle is equal to 180. Therefore, here 2 angle ACB is equals to 180. Then angle ACB is equals to center side 180 by 290 is the. Therefore, angle ACB equals to 90 degrees. ACB equals to 90 degrees. So, what we have to conclude? The angle in a semicircle is right angle. The angle in a semicircle is. Now come to example 5. Find the angle of x in the adjacent figure. This x we have to find. This angle. Here also see here. Here for this here solution by theorem. Here what is given here? Angle ACB is equals to 40 degrees given. Angle ACB equals 40 degrees given. We have to find x. X we have to find. But here by theorem, angle AOB equals to 2 angle ACB. Angle AOB. Angle subtended by arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by it at any point is twice. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to 2 angle ACB. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to 2 into ACB is equals to 40. Then it is equals to 80 degrees. Angle AOB is equals to 80 degrees. This angle is equals to 80. But this 80 plus x is equals to at a point sum of all angles is equals to 360 degrees. Here angle AOB plus x is equals to 360 degrees. At a point sum of all angles is equals to 360 degrees. And AOB plus x is equals to 360 degrees. But AOB is equal to how much came here? 80. 80 plus x is equals to 360. Then x is equals to 360 minus 80. X is equals to 280 degrees. Therefore, x is equals to 280 degrees. Topic: angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. See, consider circle. What is the center of the circle? Here A, B is an arc. A, B and arc. This is the center of the circle. This is the angle AOB. Angle AOB is subtended by arc at the center. So here some points are there in this segment. This is one segment. This one here C, D, E, F, G. These are points are there. Then join these points to AB. These angles. This is the center. This is the angles. So what is about here? Angle AOB equals to by theorem. Angle AOB equals to 2 angle ACB. 2 angle ACB. Angle subtended by arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by an arc at the in remaining circle. Therefore, angle ACB. Angle AOB is equals to 2 angle ACB. Same as angle AOB is equals to 2 angle ACD. ADB. Angle AOB is equals to 2 angle ADB. And angle AOB is equals to what you can say? 2 angle AEB. Angle AOB is equals to 2 angle AFB. Angle AOB equals to 2 angle AGB. Yes, is it right on? Yes. Angle AOB equal to angle ACB, angle AOB equal to angle ADB. Means here remaining all angles are double for this. Then from this right side and left side are all equal. Therefore right side also equal. From this 2 angle ACB equals 2 angle ADB equals 2 angle AEB equals 2 angle AFB equals to 2 angle AGB. These are all two parts. What to conclude? Therefore, angle ACB equals angle ADB equals angle AEB equals angle AFB equals to angle AGB. Means what? Angles in the same segment are equal. The angle, all angles are equal. Therefore, angles in the same segment, angles in the same segment are equal. So keep in mind, angles in the same segment are. This is the same segment. Angles in the same segment are